Nestled in the heart of the Mediterranean, Cyprus, a land of diverse industries, faces distinctive challenges due to its geography and coastal landscapes. Cyprus thrives on its economic diversity, from the vibrant tourism sector to the intricate world of ship repair and the resilient food and beverage processing industry. Introducing EDDY Pump, an innovative solution to Cyprus's industrial challenges. EDDY Pump offers a range of cutting-edge pumping and dredging solutions tailored to meet the unique demands of Cyprus's varied industries. Let's dive into the EDDY Pump arsenal. Submersible slurry pumps, self-priming slurry pumps, flooded suction pumps, and state-of-the-art dredge equipment. Versatile and efficient, these solutions are designed to tackle the complexities of Cyprus's industrial landscape. Cyprus, surrounded by the ever-shifting tides of the Mediterranean, faces challenges that demand ingenuity. Coastal erosion threatens the stability of vital tourism infrastructure, while varied terrains complicate material transfer for industries like textiles, metals, and wood. Here's where EDDY Pump steps in with adaptable and environmentally conscious solutions. Our self-priming slurry pumps and hydraulic dredging equipment provides more than answers. They are committed to sustainability, resilience, and growth. EDDY Pump's hydraulic dredging equipment efficiently combats coastal erosion, tackles inland terrain challenges, and ensures consistent infrastructure maintenance. EDDY Pump becomes a beacon, guiding industries through Cyprus's intricate landscapes. With strategic locations in Limassol and Larnaca, EDDY Pump is not just a solution provider, it's a local partner. Our experts stand ready to collaborate with Cyprus's diverse industries, understanding the nuances and addressing the specific needs of each sector. In conclusion, EDDY Pump emerges as the linchpin for Cyprus's industrial resilience. Our rental services offer cutting-edge technology and a partnership designed to foster growth, overcome geographical challenges, and navigate the competitive industrial landscape. Choose EDDY Pump for sustainable and flexible solutions, paving the way for industrial prosperity in Cyprus. Explore our technology today, and let's embark on a journey of innovation together. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.